Hi everyone, good evening. The Secret Unfold is back with yet another happening episode. शिवाली तुझे पता है मैं happening क्यों बोल रही हूँ? मुझे
पता
पता है तू
नहीं।
सोचेगी, मैं बताती हूँ, तू सोचेगी कि तू बड़ी happening लग रही है इसलिए।
ये नहीं मैं सोच रही कि मैं बहुत
हाँ
हैपनिंग
फिर
लग
ठीक
रही हूँ।
है,
रहने दे तू।
फिर ठीक है, फिर ठीक है, फिर ठीक है, फिर ठीक
आज
है।
तो मैं
फिर
वैसे ही
तुझे
पता
क्या
नहीं
लगा?
क्यों। हाँ, आज वैसे थोड़ा हैपनिंग फीलिंग लग रहा है कि कुछ खास होने
हाँ,
वाला है।
बट फिर भी तेरे को एक बात के लिए congratulations भी तो बोलनी थी। अरे
किस
आज
बात
मोहन का
की?
रिजल्ट आया है। I'm so happy
थैंक
for him
यू।
यार. He scored
यस,
93.
थैंक
That's
यू, थैंक यू।
commendable, yeah. Good, good. I'm
फिर
happy for
लकीली
all the
लकीली
children, all the
लकीली अपनी मम्मी
children.
के नहीं गया लकीली। सो
So I think everybody is happy today because बच्चों के results आ गए हैं CBSE, ICSE, everybody is out and मुझे लग रहा है everybody is fared well. So congratulations to all the parents, to all the students who have done extremely well. और please ये छोटे results के पीछे depressed होने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं होती है हमें. Whatever we have done, good है, ठीक है. Life में आगे चलना है हमको. Isn't it, Shefali?
I agree with you. Absolutely. There is no doubt. Keep
Yes,
walking, keep moving ahead. That's the
yes.
mantra. Don't give up.
Absolutely.
Don't quit.
That's true. और अच्छा मैं तुझे बता क्यों कह रही थी कि हैपनिंग कुछ होने वाला है. गेस कर.
ऑब्वियस सी बात है हमारी गेस्ट के बारे में तुम बात कर रहे होगे.
Yes,
She's
yes.
quite a woman, I must say.
Oh
Gorgeous.
yeah, she's a woman of substance, gorgeous people.
Absolutely.
Yes.
She is. There is no doubt. Absolutely.
और एक और अच्छी बात बताऊं तुझे.
बता.
ये जो gorgeous woman है ना, पता है कहाँ से आ रही है? She was staying in Kashmir. मेरे
Seriously?
सरप्राइज. यस यस. आई
मुझे
न्यू.
लगा कि
कश्मीर का
खुश
नाम
हो
सुन
गया.
के, कश्मीर का नाम सुन
No,
के आज
now
दो
that
तो कश्मीर की कलियों के बीच में मैं होंगी.
oh yeah, don't be silly. But I must tell you, तुझे पता है ना, the kind of शिद्दत वाली मोहब्बत I have for Kashmir. Don't forget. यार
हाँ,
अपना है
शिद्दत में भूल ही
यार.
नहीं सकती.
वैसे तो सब कुछ ही अपना
So
है बट
true.
वो अच्छी फीलिंग है. माय दादे हाल एंड नाने हाल सब कुछ याद आ जाता है यार. सच अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग ना.
Great,
वहाँ
yeah.
का खाना पीना. ओफो माय
खाना
गॉड.
पीना. शिफाली चल अब गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं, बहुत हो गया, वरना तो खाने पीने पे आ जाएगी. All right, so here we present our guest of the evening, Miss Indu Tikku Kohli. Hey, hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Hi, good evening. I'm great. How are you guys?
All good, all good. So good to see you.
Good to see you both. Smiling in beautiful faces, such vibrant faces.
Thank you so much. Thank you. शिफाली तूने कुछ कहना है या मैं कुछ बोलूं?
नहीं मैंने एक बात कहनी है बिफोर यू
हाँ मुझे
बिगिन.
पता था ना. I know.
But क्या इंदू, you are from Kashmir, yaar. I mean, of course
Oh,
you're from
really?
Kashmir. I'm also
I
from
am from Kashmir. That's so
course.
fantastic. That's so fantastic. I can see on your face. That is so apparent from your face, Shefali. Oh, तीखे features.
Swaleen ने surprise दे दिया. This is like the best thing ever. I'm always very happy यार. बड़ी वो अच्छी feeling होती है.
अपनापन लगता है. I know. तो अपनेपन की feeling
ये
आती है.
प्रोग्राम कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज में अलाउड नहीं है, पहले ही बोल दो, ये आज का रूल है. Great. So I must introduce my guest today. Rooted to the crown of India, Kashmir, Indu Tikku Kohli is a fashion model, an ardent writer, a columnist, singer, lyricist, and a social activist. From trash to sash, she has been serving and contributing to the society and inspiring many more for then a decade now. Empowering women through her most women-centric thoughts in write-ups and groundwork has helped many and will keep inspiring more in her journey. Being chosen and awarded as the Woman of Substance under AIAC All India Achievers Conference Excellence Awards, she wrote and composed a song for an album under the social project Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. एक मीठी सी उलझन, which was recognized and highly accoladed by the Haryana cabinet minister and is still played in schools in Kurukshetra in the form of play acts for awareness. Being the director of a leading production house under KOB Productions and 380 Events. She has been the official brand promoter and integral part of the organizing committee for the Cosmopolitan Queen and Mr. and Miss Bollywood 2018. She has been the official jury for the auditions of Hotmont, Mrs. India Worldwide 2018 and 2019, for which she was one of the top finalists in 2017. A creative and media consultant and an official jury for Bollywood Mr. and Miss India 2018 auditions and semi-finale. She had been a voice and words behind a social walk for Nirbhaya, a social event to remember. She voiced out and fathomed in the depth of what an agonized woman could feel and never express. She is also the editor of few of the leading fashion magazines, Fashion Wave, eFashionista, where she adds on her write-ups and editorials for the lined-up edition. After excelling as an IT professional, she is now doing her bit towards society through her writing and social work, and especially inspiring women of all ages and segments to believe in themselves. She is leading them to turn their skills into a magical power. I'll keep on reading. Hats off to you from an IT professional going to be a already into the world of
fabulous, Sindhu. That's quite an achievement. I mean, so much.
This is actually I thought I'm listening, someone else's introduction. This is so much of a praise. Thank you so much.
That's so fantastic.
I feel humble. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming here, accepting the invite. It's really
it's completely.
We're really wanting to see you for so long. We already have.
I know you caught me. You caught me. You finally caught me, and it's completely my pleasure.
We couldn't lose on you. Absolutely not. Thank you. So something that Shivali would like to know. Shivali, क्या पूछने वाली हो सबसे पहले? पूछने वाली हो?
तो बहुत कुछ था यार. अभी तो शुरुआत है.
So go ahead.
So much to know from you. I mean, God, you are so gorgeous. You're a woman of substance. And of course,
nothing like that.
Know that you are a beautiful singer.
Yeah, just try to, hum sometimes.
Don't be smart, huh? You're a very good singer.
No.
भाई आज को मेरे लिए खास गाना पड़ेगा. कुछ ना कुछ गुनगुनाना पड़ेगा. आज हम कुछ लाइनों से शुरू करते हैं. How about maybe your favorite number, something?
Yeah, I would. I know यहाँ पे मेरे को बिल्कुल escape नहीं मिलने वाला. मुझे मालूम है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
मुझे कोई relaxation नहीं मिलेगा. So I would definitely hum few lines from the movie Agnipath. So here we go. ओढ़ूं तेरी काया 16 सिंगार में सजा लूं संगम किए रहना इसमें त्योहार में मना लूं खुशबू तेरी छूके कस्तूरी हो जाऊं कितनी फीकी थी मैं सिंदूरी हो जाऊं सुर से जरा बहकी हुई मेरी दुनिया थी बड़ी बेसुरी सुर में तेरे बहने लगी बनी रे पिया मैं बनी बांसुरी जिंदगी ने पहनी है मुस्कान करने लगी है इतना करम क्यों न जाने करवट लेने लगे हैं अरमान फिर भी है आँख नम क्यों न जाने ओ सैया. Thank you.
Wow.
I'm lost.
That was spectacular. Absolutely.
I don't know how it was sounding.
No, it was
I just
really
come on.
Really good.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Amazing. You were also a part of this Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. Yeah.
Yeah. It was actually the year 2015, as the name suggests. It's all about a girl child, from the time she takes birth and going forward, her education, and then everything, that revolves around her life. So coming to this issue, the female feticide, rate of female feticide, if we just check back and look back on the data even today, though we have come a long way, पहले से लेके अब तक में काफी फर्क आ गया है, बट अगर हम ग्लोबल डेटा देखते हैं तो अभी भी मतलब अब ग्लोबल डेटा देखेंगे तो there is complete balance, like there is 100 girls against 101 males, 100 females against 101 males, which is an absolute balance. But coming down to our country, when we check and compare, there is still that imbalance. It's around 924 females for every 1,000. So there is this gap, and this gap is this is a man-made gap. It's a human-made gap. So it's so heart-wrenching, it pains inside, and you are very helpless to know that there is still so much of rate of female feticide happening, especially in our rural areas, and especially Haryana is the hub, we all know.
That's true.
So there was this pain and agony in me, which I was carrying for a long time. And this something, incepted, a thought incepted in me, and I was really triggered. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये जो fetus है inside the womb, वैसे तो she is not permitted to see the outside world, but what if she gets an opportunity to express, अगर वो अपनी feelings को दर्शाना चाहे, अपने pain को बताना चाहे, तो वो pain कैसी होगी, वो feelings क्या होंगी. And also I always wanted to talk a lot about this social issue, but मुझे लगा कि यार बातें बहुत लोग करते हैं, बातें होती हैं, बातें खत्म भी हो जाती हैं, बातें भूल जाते हैं लोग. तो मुझे लगा, let me do something, let me give a life to this subject, which keeps on going, this keeps on staying for long. So I decided to weave it into some composition, weave it into some lyrics, and give it my words and my feelings. And that's how this thought took birth in me. And fortunately that time I was I was actually running my own production house with the name of KOB. So, and I was working with so many phenomenal and brilliant these musicians and singers. So मुझे अभी भी याद है वो दिन, मैं पूरा दिन मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मुझे आज ये सॉन्ग लिखना है किसी तरह से. तो 5-6 बार I tried. I wrote down some lyrics because it is such a heavy subject. Your heart fills with so much of weight that you can't express in one go. So I every time used to write, I every time used to just crumble those paper pieces and throw them away. So मैं घर चली गई. I went home and I had decided I'm not going to sleep over it. In the midnight, I got up. And you won't believe, I pulled out a chair and started writing. And you won't believe, things started falling in place. It started flowing automatically. वो rhythm में, वो flow में, वो सब कुछ अपने आप होता गया. And I wrote that song in one go. मेरे सारे जितने भी emotions इतने सालों से I was carrying in me, I just vented it out. And it came out to be a composition, a song. थोड़े बहुत errors थे, which we corrected later on. But next day when I went back to the studio, so there is this very talented musician and singer, Mr. Vikas Relhan. He's a celebrity singer in Kurukshetra. So together we composed the song, and I specially requested him. I said, "You give the voice, because that is going to make a difference." औरत की बात औरत बोलती है तो ठीक है, मतलब इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन जब आदमी आप एक औरत की बात को बोलेगा तो आई थिंक काफी पर्सपेक्टिव्स चेंज होंगे. So he sang it.
I feel
exactly
the weightage that comes into it.
Exactly, and he sung it so beautifully, and to my surprise, it came out brilliantly well, and it was highly appreciated by the honorable cabinet minister in Haryana that time.
Wow.
So this is very close to.
Areas, अभी तक male chauvinism बहुत ज़्यादा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
And if a male is coming up to say all this, so it really matters a lot.
Yeah, so that was the idea behind. Otherwise, I would have given it my voice, because I knew how to express. I knew how to emote and how to bring out those lyrics. But then I thought, no, this has to be coming from some male, so that it might change some mindsets. It might hit some mentalities, and we might see some changes. So that's how it happened, and this is something very, very close to my heart.
Commendable.
Yeah.
Your childhood, I see, has been in Kashmir. Well, that's what you just came to know. So, how was your childhood? Were you a naughty child? क्या memories हैं childhood की?
चाइल्डहुड से मुझे सिर्फ कश्मीर ही याद आता है, और ये जो वर्ड है ना कश्मीर, इट ब्रिंग्स आउट सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल, शिफाली समझ सकती है, it brings out so many beautiful, emotions and memories together. Though I was born and brought up in Delhi, I did my schooling from Mount Carmel School. But then I had this beautiful time from the year 84 till my mid-teens that I got to spend in the valley. So, they call it the paradise on earth, or jo wo hai, it is actually a paradise. It truly is. In its true sense of nature, its freshness, its colors, its beauty, its rawness, and especially the love. तो ये सब तो वहाँ पे था ही. And then
to this, yeah. किसी ने मुझे बोला about Uttarakhand. I mean, I've been in an, sorry, Swarni. I still remember. I said, आपको पता है हमारे कश्मीर के नाले भी इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हैं. And they were like, what are you saying? I said, उसको ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. इसलिए मुझे मालूम है कश्मीर कितना सुंदर है. I miss those days of going to Nishad Bagh and Harvan, and the culture was different.
The culture is absolutely different.
I know.
I'm sure Indu must be missing those times.
So, I know, I always do. And in fact, before that, I never knew what the essence of pure relationship and bonds between families meant, because I got this opportunity to grow up in a joint family. So under the shadow of so many wonderful uncles, aunts, and my cousins, I learned a lot. Learned life's values, learned life's the cultural traditional values वही हैं हमारे अंदर. कश्मीरी cultures तो अलग ही होते हैं, traditions ही अलग हैं. तो वो सब मैंने वहीं से पिक किए. Had I been in a nuclear family, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता चलता. तो बहुत कुछ सीखा. And yes, I think I was the luckiest girl in the family because I was the only girl in the family.
Oh, wow.
Rest all were boys, all my cousins, all elder brothers. So there was this sense of pride and always the security that I am being guarded, protected by them always. And there's this. अभी मुझे हंसी आ रही है सोच के. मैं कॉलोनी में नीचे जाया करती थी, and I used to tease these colony boys that dare you look at me, they are going to kill you. So it used to be, I used to be that, a little tomboyish thing.
Where is it?
Huh?
I said,
So it used to be fun. Sorry?
I said, you would be teasing them.
Yeah, because they always wanted कि भाई वो होता है ना बचपन में बड़ी सारी flings और ये सब होता है. We were teenagers, so I used to go with my army behind, and they used to be always protective about me. So I used to tease them. अभी तुमने कुछ मुझे बोला ना, so they're looking. They have an eye on you. They're going to kill you. So that way I used to feel so happy कि यार कोई कुछ मुझे teasing, कोई कुछ मुझे छेड़ेगा नहीं. So I used to feel so protected. And I was really a pampered child that time between all those elder brothers. So the only one young girl.
I think that's the biggest advantage you must have.
So I have so many. Yeah. So the beautiful memories that I carry from that time. But prior to that, when I was in Delhi, we lived as a nuclear family. So my dad had this, longing desire to go back to Kashmir and reunite with his parents, with his siblings. So that's how we shifted, and he wanted to permanently settle down. So ऐसे फिर हम वहाँ पे shift हुए. But I always want to remember Kashmir as, the time spent in Kashmir as the most beautiful time of my childhood. But unfortunately, the latter years, they still haunt me, everyone. They haunt every one of us. But no matter what, a portion of my heart shall always beat for Kashmir. It still beats, and it shall always beat for Kashmir. वो तो कहीं नहीं जाने वाला.
Amazing.
वो connection तो रहेगा.
I know. I mean, those childhood memories, they're always instilled in you. You just like imbibe them so much that whatever happens, you just reach back. And now those memories are the best.
I remember in my child. So the only thing I remember about my childhood is Kashmir. So everything about Kashmir. उसके पहले का सब wipe off हो गया, उसके बाद का wipe off हो गया, because that was the time जब पूरा परिवार हम लोग साथ में रहते थे. All my uncle, aunts, everyone under one roof. तो जिंदगी के मतलब सबसे खूबसूरत दिन थे वो.
Seriously, naturally.
Yeah.
You came to Delhi after that, isn't it? After Kashmir, you
या
directly
फिर
came
तो
to
फिर
Delhi.
आना ही पड़ा या फिर तो बाद में आना ही पड़ा
ठीक है तो फिर
No
ये
choice we had.
ट्रैश की जो स्टोरी वो सैश तक कैसे पहुंची हमें वो सुननी है
हाँ, that's true.
हाँ
हुआ कैसे?
I think हाँ ये पूरी कहानी एक्चुअली ये जो टैगलाइन है ना आई गेस दिस हैज बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम माय रियल लाइफ स्टोरी
Wow.
I think Swarleen also might have lived that story, but I will take you back to Kashmir and late 80s. 88, 89 की बात है when I was a small teenager, young girl. बहुत सारे सपने थे अब छोटे होते हैं तो हमारे काफी सपने होते हैं काफी aspirations होती हैं and let me tell you one more thing when we are young then we have so many dreams we want to do this we want to do that we want to go places we want to explore world and what not सही गलत का फर्क नहीं पता होता हमें नहीं पता होता whether this thing is right for us or wrong for us but जैसे जैसे वो बच्चा बड़ा होता जाता है वैसे वैसे उसका वो फोकस वो विजन जो है नैरो होता जाता है it turns into a pyramid so once you grow up you know कि हमारे लिए what is right and what is wrong so you choose just one path you focus on one goal and then you follow it in my case it was totally a different story ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ तो मेरा जो ड्रीम था जब मैं छोटी थी वहां पे कश्मीर में मैं बड़ी फैसिनेट हुई थी उस टाइम पे देयर वाज दिस वन ब्यूटी पैजेंट व्हिच वाज द ऑथेंटिक वन फेमिना मिस इंडिया
Right.
तो फेमिना मिस इंडिया नाउ दैट देयर आर सो मेनी मल्टीपल रनिंग पैरेलली बट तब एक ही होता था और वो चीज मुझे बड़ी फैसिनेट करती थी और मेरा ख्वाब था मतलब ख्वाब क्या था बड़ा छोटा सा ख्वाब था मेरा ख्वाब ये था कि आई जस्ट वांट टू वॉक द रैंप Kashmir ki life, you know how it is, how conservative sometimes
Very conservative.
families are, है ना? तो उसमें मेरा ख्वाब ये था कि यार I have to walk the ramp, I have to hit that stage, I have to share that stage with the rest of the beautiful girls, I have to wear the stylish outfit and I have to wear that, I have to flaunt that sash. So ये मेरा सपना था. एंड उस टाइम पे क्या था कि टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस थी नहीं सो वी हैड वेरी लिमिटेड सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैड वन इडियट बॉक्स व्हिच हैड जस्ट 1 or 2 channels then we had newspaper magazines so but I did my best I did all my homework I got all the required and relevant information for the pageant तो मैं अपना फॉर्म सब ले आई थी I was all set just about to apply and talk to my family and just about to apply अब इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ करती या किसी से बात करती आई सॉ कश्मीर टर्निंग अपसाइड डाउन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एंड एवरीथिंग गॉट शैटर्ड families got shattered there was so much chaos in the valley and dreams का क्या था फिर dreams तो हम सोच ही नहीं सकते थे dreams went on to some other planet and the focus narrowed down to just survive the objective of the life was just to survive. How to survive, how to stay alive. You know it better, Shefali.
Yeah.
So that time, the prism of my dreams shattered into pieces. And
People at that time, lost their dreams. A lot of people lost their dreams.
Yeah, there was no future. We didn't know what to do in life. We didn't have any future. There was no schooling, no college, no office, no administration. Everything was disrupted. So the only thing that was in mind was कि यार you have to stay safe, confined to your houses and stay alive. Now like we are हाँ जैसे कि आजकल है अपने घर में रहिए लेकिन आजकल में और उसमें ये फर्क है कि एटलीस्ट यू नो दैट इफ यू आर नॉट एक्सपोज्ड टू द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड एटलीस्ट यू आर सेफ इन योर होम यू आर सेफ इन योर प्रेमिसेस एंड विसिनिटी उधर क्या होता था उधर ये होता था कि अपने घर में भी यू डिडंट फील सेफ बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हेन द बुलेट माइट जस्ट पियर्स योर विंडो पेन एंड हिट यू and you might just die in few seconds or might get severely injured it happened once I mean I was having fever and there was this crossfiring because we were staying in Indiranagar so it was just next to the army camp so there was this crossfiring between the terrorists and army that started and I was having fever and all of a sudden there was something that hit our window pane and then my parents came and they just took me immediately और मुझे दूसरे कमरे में फ्लोर पे लिटा दिया नीचे so that I am not hit by any bullet so it was that scary and very challenging time, very मतलब बहुत कुछ देख. We witnessed lots of bloodshed. We witnessed lots of lots of cold-blooded murders, bomb blasts. In fact, unfortunately, I lost some family members, very close people from my family. And I was studying in Army Public School that time. So our school was on hit list. So we lost few students lost few students of our school as well. So now there was only one option left, was to just go away, leave that place and go away. So we were forced to vacate the valley and just go away. And I remember that my mother just grabbed the minimalistic possessions. That was just one bag with clothing. एक उन्होंने बैग लिया जिसमें सिर्फ हमारे कुछ जरूरत के कपड़े थे, and we just left the valley. पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा. अब वहां से यहाँ तो आ गए हम. अब यहाँ पे आके it was like altogether a different life, a new struggle, because now you have to start life all over again. ये तो ऐसा हो गया जैसे कि यार शुरू से शुरू करना है, दोबारा से सब कुछ शुरू करना है. It's not that easy. So this was the bigger challenge waiting for us. And that time, you have to reestablish, you have to reform yourself, and make your identity again from the very beginning. So that time, I had this sense of responsibility also. So I wanted to contribute financially, to my family. So I started working at a very small age. I started my job when I was just 19 years old. So that time I started my career. And I used to work, I used to study, I used to work and earn, and I used to invest that little bit money into my education. I used to do my additional computer courses. So that's how I landed up in the IT sector. So I did pretty well in the IT sector as well. But then काफी struggles देखे हैं life में बहुत छोटी उम्र से. And though I'm very proud of my community, we all were very resilient. The families were very resilient. We kept our heads always high, and we came back with a bang. We moved on in life. We re-established ourselves from एक needle से वापस शुरू किया. So that way I'm very proud. So life आगे चलती गई, and that's how I'm talking about the time when I got, after my marriage, there was this one day I was, scrolling my social media, and there was this ad that popped up from nowhere. Mrs. India Worldwide registrations open, please apply. और मैंने कहा ये फिर आ गया. और क्योंकि वो ड्रीम देखा था ना बचपन में, लेकिन वो लड़की और इस लड़की में काफी फर्क आ गया था. The excitement level had changed because this girl had seen so much. So that time that was a different story. This time this was altogether a different woman. But still वो ड्रीम मरा नहीं था, अंदर ही था, मतलब resurface हो गया, फिर से जिंदा हो गया. So I was in this dilemma: should I go for this or not? Should I apply or not? Should I participate or not? So I discussed it with my husband. He was more than happy. He was like pushing me, please do take part and explore this side.
How nice.
So that's how finally I landed. Yeah. So I finally landed up, and shortcut में अब बताती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत लंबी story है ये. I landed up and I had this moment of mine wherein I was walking the ramp with the world's most beautiful gown, and sharing the stage with so many beautiful women and flaunting the sash. So I think this is the kahani behind it. People don't know because I know what it meant to me. No one knows. Only I know what it meant to me. So that was my.
When all those little dreams they come true, it's such a fantastic feeling, especially the dreams that you've seen as a child. It is like,
right.
It's like so starry. It doesn't matter what age we are in. I think हम कितने बच्चे हो जाते हैं.
मुझे ही लगता है कई लोग तो होता है ना वो जैसे बबल्स मान के चलते हैं. They're just like bubbles for them कि नींद खुलेगी चले जाएंगे. लेकिन कुछ लोग होते हैं ना वो ड्रीम्स को अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में स्टोर कर लेते हैं, अपने दिल में ना रख लेते हैं. और मुझे लगता है जो लोग एक्चुअली रख लेते हैं ना वो उन पर चलना शुरू कर देते हैं. Somewhere or the other you get this. So like Indu and me, we met last year, and since then she has seen my journey. I mean, when you start, you get a start or something that click is enough. I think एक वो कहते हैं ना चुटकी में सब कुछ बदल जाता है.
I've seen swirling I've seen her growing like anything. I
She
met her
is.
in one of the
She's,
yeah. I saw her. There's a
Yeah.
huge transformation that I've seen in her, and
Thank you.
she's becoming more and more. कहते हैं ना वो sharp होती जा रही है, एक pro होती जा रही है दिन ब दिन, which is very
so
very
much
good.
coming from you guys, it means a lot to me.
And that is the absolute truth.
कहानी तो सुन ली, बट अभी मैं चाहती हूँ ये थोड़ा सैड जर्नी और ऐसे ऐसे चला, बट अभी आपको एक हैप्पी सॉन्ग गाना पड़ेगा.
हैप्पी सॉन्ग कौन सा?
आज सवेरा फिर से होता है, तो वो वाला गाना होना चाहिए, वो वाला.
कौन सा सवेरा?
भाई हर अंधेरी रात के बाद हैप्पी सवेरा होता है.
अच्छा, अभी तो दिमाग में मेरे कोई गाना ऐसे तो नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन हाँ एक गाना है जो मैं गा सकती हूँ, बट इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम द वो, मतलब एक लड़की की तरफ से नहीं है, एक लड़की की तरफ से. आई थिंक यू वुड लाइक इट.
I would love it.
You also sing now with me.
अरे
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everyone can sing. ये बहुत ही बड़ा एक गलत फहमी, एक मिथ है. Everyone, when you are in your bathroom, you're the best singer, you know that. Bathroom singers हो ना, तो then you can sing outside also.
ठीक है, चलो
शुरू करो. You can sing outside.
Sure.
Okay. लिरिक्स भूल जाऊंगी, I'm sure. वो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चांद. चेहरे पे जुल्फे बिखरी हुई थी, दिन में रात हो गई. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई. फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई. ये हसीन चेहरे देख के मुझे गाना याद आया.
देखो ये तो look who's talking, look at her. Yes.
I've been seeing you both in the previous shows as well. I quite liked the chemistry and especially the light you guys have in it. It's so beautiful.
Wow.
Thank you so much. तो हमने कहा उस लाइट को डबल कर देना. That's why we call it.
हाँ, एक से बड़े क्या बोलते हैं, एक से
भले दो.
क्या बोलते हैं,
भले
दो से बहुत ही भले, दो से बहुत ही भले तीन.
Actually, बिल्कुल. It is commendable, when such energies meet. और मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम तीनों यहाँ बैठे हैं, तो तीनों की एक छोटी अपनी, मैं कहती हूँ ना, every heart has a story. हर दिल की कहानी होती है ना. और वो बात है ना, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा. So वही आशा लेके ना हम लोग स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. So it's commendable. I think living your dream is the best thing you can always do, because it drives you, it is your passion, and you give your most of the energy to it. तो आप फिर वो जब काम कर रहे होते हो ना, I think that comes with the zeal inside. So you I think that radiates on your face. It's just like that.
Absolutely.
So that's why we have our woman of substance here. How did you get this? Yeah, of course, she's a woman of substance, अब मुझे हर स्टोरी पीछे भी पता करनी है.
Okay, your voice is.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Achha, okay. How did I get it?
Yeah.
How did I get it? That's what you asked.
Yes.
Well, I think ये जो भी awards होते हैं, awards and rewards, they are really encouraging and motivating, and you really need them. There is always a pat on the back that is always required, and sometimes these reaffirmations, they give you that signal that whatever you are doing, keep on doing. You are doing good. और अगर आप मेरी बात करें तो मैं सच में award person बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ. I just do something for my own satisfaction, and definitely I want to contribute to the society for so it makes some change, if at all it can. Or coming back to this title, woman of substance, it is like in itself a very heavy word with huge responsibility coming with it. So first of all, I really feel humbled, and my heart is filled with great gratitude for the organization. And matlab, it's like, it's so amazing that these social networking platforms and these award associations, how well they keep an eye, how well they tap your profile, and they keep on looking the kind of work you have been doing, the kind of contributions you have been making for a long period, for a long duration. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दो चीजें वो देखते हैं, वो मेरे ख्याल से कुछ टाइम से आपको फॉलो करते हैं. So similar thing happened here also. The executive director of the All India this Achievers Conference Excellence Award, Mr. Abhishek, he might have liked my profile and my work. So he texted me one day and he wanted to speak to me. So then he, disclosed this beautiful surprise to me. He said that I want to nominate you for that. So I was very humbled, and I just, accepted it with much gratitude and humbleness. So that is how it happened. And I'm really thankful to the entire team, thankful to him, and thankful to all the followers who appreciated my work, and they are still doing that.
Of course, your works are commendable. In fact, there's no doubt in it. So that's that definitely goes to you. शिफाली, तुम्हें एक और बात बताती हूँ. ब्यूटी पेजेंट तुमने देख ली, सिंगर भी सुन ली. अब एक और बात बताती हूँ. शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल पोएटेस इनसाइड आउट. शी लव्स टू राइट एंड शी राइट्स मार्वेलस, तो अब हम एक कॉम्पोजिशन जरूर सुनने वाले हैं.
You are like all in one. सब कुछ ही
package, complete package of beauty and brains.
दिमाग होता है तो हर तरफ ही कई बार दिमाग चलने लग जाता है.
Definitely, because I love poetry, so I understand what kind of emotions and what kind of sometimes energies that you sometimes a single poem may give just 5 minutes task and you're done with it, and sometimes you're stuck for 5 days or maybe 5 months, and that's what happens with me. So that's how it takes. But until and unless I think you finish off with what you have started with, or something that's in your mind and you're not being able to give the words that you actually want to, your emotions want to come, you are stuck there, isn't it? I think Hindu will tell it better.
Yeah, you become restless until unless you went out and you put that expressions onto the paper, you are not at ease. I mean, this happens with me. So writing part. Sorry?
I said it happens with everybody who writes, because when your creative juices are flowing, it just goes in one go. And then there are times you take a couple of days or maybe even sometimes months to complete a certain write-up. That's what I think.
It should be the right frame of mind also. So that also is very much important. Sometimes there are so many things that your mind is wavering, about, then you can't focus. So you have to have that solitude, complete peace of mind, and तभी वो सब चीजें बाहर आ सकती हैं.
क्या सुनाने वाले हो, जल्दी से ये बताओ.
अभी तो बहुत सुना दिया.
नहीं, और छोटी सी पोएम चलेगी, छोटी सी
पोएम. Yes, of course. I, in fact, want to read out a poem with all your due permission. Really? And I am going to dedicate this poem to these two beautiful, powerful women. Because ये मैंने women के ऊपर लिखी थी. ये मैंने women के ऊपर लिखी थी, और मेरा favorite subject ही women के आसपास रहता है. Because I feel woman is, it represents the entire universe, and what all she can carry inside her, it's no less an ocean. तो मुझे लगता है वो उसके जैसा कोई powerful entity उसके आसपास भी नहीं है. तो I will read it out for you, both of you.
Sure.
So, When I Met Me is, A Woman to Me. I Am a Woman to Me. That is the title of this poem. So I'm going to read it out, right?
No.
When I met me, I met a person you wanted to see. A girl who has grown up a mother to be. Yes, a soul that never no one could reach. Yet you the one whose touch would make me complete. I gave you my world, thy became a world to me. Deep within I know, it will last till I grow with thee. Just like a wax, kept molding my crust. Adaptation is all that I have learned with time and trust. I cry, I soar, heal with grace and still ignore. As much as I absorb, and still much to store. A shine, a smile you could always see. You deserve the best. The pain is for me. Is that an ocean? I'm proud I carry in me. When I'm loved, your instincts sense a joy. Your life a celebration, flowers moving in convoy. So witty, so sharp, my brain can leave a mark. Where everything seems over, I step in and embark. I can beat and believe. Can any day lead a nation? Robust my spark, flaming with determination. Keep me safe, hold me tight. I can make your vision a beautiful sight. You may be strong, you may be smiling, and you see, there's a key. All your strength and happiness lies in me. I may be endearing to you, but I am a woman to me. A woman to me, a woman to me.
Wow.
That's
Amazing.
beautiful. That's amazing.
That
Thank
reminds me of those lines. Woman is an embodiment of tolerance and sacrifice. And she indeed
Exactly.
is. She indeed is.
True.
What
She
she
is.
does as a human being, that's par excellence. So
Exactly.
sometimes me and my husband, we have a tussle. I say, "मैं मुझे तो वापस woman ही बनना है." So I love this. Being a woman feeling is
Exactly.
something I love to be a woman. It's like
Yeah,
and
we have
that's
so
right.
much to we have so much to
Yes.
in fact possess and display in the sense of
Wow.
the colors, in the sense of the clothes, in the sense of the accessories. There's so much in life, so much full of colors our life is.
Yes.
Or so next birth, I mean, if you ask a woman, she would any day say that
Any
मुझे
day.
तो भैया woman ही बनना है.
Very
Wow.
true.
Yeah.
Very
That
true.
was absolutely amazing. It's really beautiful, Indu. Beautifully penned
Thank
down.
you, Shifali.
Just
Seriously.
tell
Thank
me,
you so much.
our show is all about untold stories, untold secrets, if I may say. Share something with us, sorry, which you haven't shared with many people, or maybe not anyone. Something do share with us. We would love to know.
एक सीक्रेट मेरा
बता दो.
Yes.
want to know one secret. आज मतलब मेरे सारे सीक्रेट्स ही आउट हो रहे हैं एक तरह से.
खोल दो secret.
Today is the day.
Okay, just for you guys, I am going to unveil a story जो
Wow.
I think no one knows
Wow.
except for my close family, my very close friends. Otherwise, I think this is the first time I'm going to talk about it on social media. इससे पहले no one knows about this side of my life. This was the year 2003 when I was about to deliver my child and my daughter. So I was pregnant and I was about to deliver my child. My pregnancy went very well, but then there was some complication at the end of it, the last moment. So my doctor, she decided to do the cesarean. So she said you have to be operated and there's no other way out. So I said okay, fine. Now, when I was on the OT table, there was this anesthetist who gave me 2 shots for my local anesthesia. So I was wondering, there is only one shot that is needed for, making your local area numb. And I am getting 2 shots. But उस time तो दिमाग में बहुत सारी anxiety थी. I didn't think much about it. And later, I was there in the hospital for like 4 days. When I came back home, I didn't realize, but like the moment I started feeding my daughter, I discovered that I can't sit upright. There's a problem with my back. It can't support me at all. So I had to feed my baby, and I couldn't even bend. So I used to keep 2, 3 pillows, and went by, and problems started getting worse.
I think it's got.
Time. I always I mean, there was only one position.
I think there's some connectivity error.
It was getting stuck, nahi?
Yeah, it was getting stuck.
Doesn't matter.
You know?
She'll come back. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I just.
What an interesting woman, yeah. My
Yeah,
God.
are you there?
Yes, yes, we are there.
Yeah, we lost you somewhere. Yeah, please tell.
So yeah, we lost the connection. I think both of you went off. So now, as the time passed, this started getting worse with time. I wasn't able to stand. I wasn't able to do my daily job. Nothing. The only thing which I could do was to lie down. And taking care of a newborn baby with such kind of issue, तो लाइफ एकदम हेल हो गई थी. एंड मैंने क्या क्या नहीं हमने किया, मतलब वी वेंट फ्रॉम पिलर टू पोस्ट, what all consultations, treatments, medications, what not. So this continued for 3-4 years. I was bedridden.
Oh.
And then there was this n number of physiotherapies I went through. And finally, I just gave it a last try. There was this physiotherapist. She tried for 25 days of physiotherapy, and she finally, उसने हाथ जोड़ लिए कि ma'am, I have tried all the modalities on you. Nothing is working. You please refer, or you consult some senior person, or you go from here now. I can't do better than this treatment. So finally that was it, and I decided कि enough हो गया. अभी इस बारे में no one will talk with me, because my parents, every time they used to call me, they had only one topic: how's your health, how's your back, how are you doing, are you able to sit, are you able to stand, यही चलता है. मतलब my life was circling around my problem only. That my problem had become my life. So then finally one day I was so fed up and almost like about to slip into depression. So then I looked at my daughter's face. She was so pretty and young, and I thought, oh my God, I can't give this kind of life to her. She doesn't deserve this motherhood. So if medicines and if nothing is working on my body, let me start working on my brain. So I gave a full-fledged instruction to everyone, my family, my close, whoever was close to me, that no one is going to talk about my health. No one is going to ask me how I am. Just zip your mouth and don't talk to me at all. If you have to talk only about health, don't talk to me. So that was the time I started believing in my mind, believing in my willpower. And I stopped taking all the medicines. I stopped taking all the treatments. A big no to the outside, medical help. And that's how slowly, but it took time. But yes, I came out of it. Then I, definitely followed a healthy lifestyle. I got into meditation, yoga, and few other things. But initially, what helped me was my self-belief. I believe that अगर कुछ और बाहर की चीज काम नहीं कर रही है मेरे ऊपर, तो यार ऐसे गिव अप नहीं कर सकती मैं. I can't afford to live this life. This is no life. I can't live like this. I can't be bedridden for the whole life. And I'll tell you one more thing. I was a sports person when I was in school. So I used to take part in so many competitions. I was a volleyball vice captain from my school. So I have done basketball, volleyball, and whatnot, all those sports. So looking at that girl and looking at this lady, कोई match ही नहीं था दोनों में.
True.
And I was like, यार ये नहीं हो सकता. This can't happen to me. So that's how things started changing, and I just started believing in my mind, because body अगर जवाब दे रही है ना, mind तो तुम्हारे साथ है. Mind is so powerful that it can, मरते मरते भी आपको बाहर निकाल के ला सकता है. So that I have experienced.
Wow,
so
that's phenomenal. I think
this is
yeah.
a secret. I mean, not known to everyone.
Wow.
That's
what
why they always
not
say.
do? Mind has such a power. What can it
Exactly.
not do? Once you actually start applying your mind and you start thinking, no, I think mind, if mind is in control, then definitely it makes you win.
I'll definitely add
Exactly.
here.
I
want
was
to
so
say
dependent.
something. No, of course. I
Yeah.
mean, this dependency makes you think again. If you want to get out of it, you can only get out if you have really trained your mind well. That's
True.
the essential of getting up from all the disasters. Training your mind is the way you did. So I just have to say a few words for you, Indu. They call her as an embodiment of peace
Yeah.
and sacrifice. They call her as an embodiment of peace and sacrifice. Only she knows what she goes through to rise. The
Wow.
journey of this woman has a
Wow.
beautiful story to narrate. The journey of this woman has a beautiful story to narrate, from a daughter to a wife, and then a mother so brave. She
Wow.
is calm and quiet, sober and gentle, the spark to fight with odds a strange metal. You can be friend with her sorrows and grief. She will be quick enough to breathe. She carries in herself a radiance of millions of stars. All she needs is your love, equality, justice, and see, she blooms like a flower. So I think,
Wow.
Indu, I could just recall when you were saying all this, I could recall the poem that I had written long back, and it
Wow.
really suits you so
Wow.
well.
That's so
Thank you
beautiful, so
so
apt,
much.
so
Beautiful.
apt. Very nice.
Such a
Thank
fantastic
you.
speaking you had, and it's like mind blowing completely. What's this one?
Equally a
I
pleasure.
loved it. I loved it. I had not seen the clock, that it's,
Yeah,
running so
I loved it
fast.
too.
loved it so
It
much.
is.
So inspiring for so much.
Yeah, we didn't realize it's been an
Actually,
hour.
we didn't realize और हम ऐसे जाने भी नहीं देंगे. एक गाना तो हम सबका बनता ही है. जाते जाते वाला.
Sorry.
One song that you would
Sorry.
like to sing. Any song that you would like to sing for our viewers before we leave.
Okay. अभी मैंने लेटेस्ट जो गाया है वही गा दूं,
गा दो
Sure.
जिसका लेटेस्ट कवर किया था. पास आइए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार, बाहें गले में डाल के हम रो दे जार जार, आँखों से फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
ये वाली
Wow.
composition तो मैंने इंदु पता नहीं कितनी बार सुनी थी, and I think I messaged you also after that कि
I know.
Well, yeah.
इससे अच्छी ending तो हो ही नहीं
This
सकती.
is the virtual. This is the virtual hug. लग जा गले.
So very much.
So much.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, so thankful to you for you to give us this time. We have loved it completely.
Thank you.
How happy I am.
टाइम कहाँ गया, कहते हैं ना समय का पता ही
It's my
नहीं चला,
pleasure.
भाग गया.
Ode.
Sorry.
Time flies. Now I know how it is like.
And after this song, I don't know. I think
Thank you so much for having me.
speechless. Thank you so much, Indu, for accepting the invite, and I'm really glad that I could catch
I'm
you.
so
for this.
humbled.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. My God.
So this was our
she
guest.
was
Oh, she
amazing.
is
amazing.
Isn't it?
मतलब एंड में तो मैं भी गुनगुनाने लगती थी,
है ना?
लग जा गले से
ये हैंगओवर नहीं उतरेगा। हंसी रात हो। Oh, हम इतना अच्छा नहीं गा सकते जितना अंदर गा रही थी, but still, you know, we can always hum about it. Of course, and
singer है यार, she's a singer, come on.
I know, but you know, I really, Shefali, I just couldn't see over the time. It was so, you know, captivating.
It was
बहुत enjoy किया
what an interesting journey and you know poetess, मतलब क्या नहीं है यार, मतलब मेरे को तो कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया यार, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता सच्ची।
नहीं, तुम स्टोरी टेलर हो, स्यापा, इसे फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया, स्यापा। तुम शिद्दत वाली स्टोरी टेलर ही हो। So anyways,
तुम्हें मालूम है ना, याद तो है ना स्वर्लीन, आज मैं तुम्हारा टेस्ट लूंगी बेटा, ऐसा है, तुम्हें याद है? नेक्स्ट वीक यार, यारों का यार होगा, याद है? यारों का यार होगा, याद है ना? यारा आ रही है, यारा, याद है?
याद है। मैंने तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक स्टोर कर ली हैं, फिर हम सब इकट्ठे बैठ के देखेंगे भी, है ना?
मैंने तो कोक ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया है, तुम चिप्स और पॉपकॉर्न और ये सब ऑर्गेनाइज करो, हम साथ मिलके देखने वाले हैं, समझ आ रही है? I'm so excited यार, हमारे तो every Wednesday it's such a session to look at यार, मजा ही आ जाता है, इसी बहाने तू और मैं भी एक दूसरे को ऐसे देख लेते हैं।
चलो बाय बाय।
Okay,
डिनर भी टाइम हो रहा है। बाय बाय, see you, thank you so much everyone, see you next week, Wednesday 7:30 PM, bye bye.